The Ford Mustang. Just saying the name sends shivers down the spines of car enthusiasts. This ain't just a car, mate, it's a legend. Since its grand entrance in 1964, the Mustang has captured hearts and turned heads. From the classic lines of the first generation to the sleek powerhouses of today, the Mustang's evolution is a story for the ages. We'll explore the highs and lows, the innovations and challenges that shape this icon. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through Mustang history. Picture this: New York City, 1964. The World's Fair is in full swing, showcasing the latest and greatest innovations. But nobody was quite ready for what Ford had up its sleeve. On April 17th, a brand new car was unveiled, one that would change the automotive landscape forever. That car was the Ford Mustang. The atmosphere was electric. People lined up for hours, eager for a glimpse of this groundbreaking machine. And when the covers finally came off, the crowd went wild. The Mustang was sleek, it was sporty, and it was affordable. Joe Oros, the chief designer, wanted to create a car that was both European in style and distinctly American in spirit. The long hood, short deck, and aggressive grille became instant classics, setting the template for muscle car design for years to come. Over 22,000 Mustangs were sold on the very first day. It was clear that Ford had tapped into something special. The Mustang's arrival ignited a firestorm in the automotive industry, giving birth to a whole new breed of car, the pony car. These cars were characterized by their sporty looks and affordable price tags. These were compact, affordable coupes designed for performance and style. They were the perfect blend of power and elegance, appealing to a wide range of drivers. And the Mustang was the undisputed king of the herd. Its sleek design and powerful engine options set it apart from the competition. The first generation of Mustangs from 1964 and a half to 1973 offered a dizzying array of options. Buyers could customize their cars to fit their exact preferences. You could get your Mustang in a coupe, a convertible, or a fastback. Each body style had its own unique appeal and charm. There were multiple engine choices, from economical 6 cylinders to fire-breathing V8s. This variety allowed drivers to choose the level of performance they desired, but the Mustang wasn't just about straight-line speed. It was also designed to handle curves and corners with ease. It handled like a dream, thanks in part to its unibody construction and sophisticated suspension. This made it a joy to drive on any road. In 1965, Ford teamed up with racing legend Carroll Shelby to create a high-performance variant of the Mustang. This collaboration brought racing pedigree to the Mustang lineup. The result was a beast on the track and an instant icon. The Shelby Mustang dominated races and captured the hearts of car enthusiasts. The Shelby Mustang, with its Cobra badges and racing stripes, became a symbol of American performance. It represented the pinnacle of what a muscle car could be. The Mustang's impact went far beyond the showroom floor. It became a cultural icon, influencing music, fashion, and lifestyle. It appeared in countless movies and TV shows, becoming a cultural touchstone for a generation. The Mustang's presence on screen cemented its status as a legend in the automotive world. The early 1970s brought a new set of challenges for the automotive industry. The oil crisis hit hard, forcing automakers to rethink their strategies. Fuel efficiency became the name of the game, and suddenly, big, gas-guzzling muscle cars weren't so appealing. Ford's response was the Mustang II, introduced in 1974. This was a smaller, lighter, and more fuel-efficient Mustang. It was based on the Ford Pinto platform, which was a controversial move at the time. Some purists felt that the Mustang II had strayed too far from its roots. The initial Mustang II models didn't even offer a V8 engine, a decision that left many enthusiasts scratching their heads. But Ford listened to the feedback, and in 1975 the V8 engine returned to the Mustang lineup. It sold over 1 million units in its 4-year run, proving that there was still a strong demand for the Mustang nameplate. The Mustang II might not have been the most loved Mustang, but it kept the Mustang alive during a turbulent time. Section 5. The Fox Body Phenomenon, a Mustang Revival, 1979 to 2004. The year 1979 marked a significant turning point for the Mustang, a car that had already become an American icon. Ford introduced the third generation, affectionately known as the Fox Body Mustang, which would go on to define an era. This new Mustang was a radical departure from the Mustang II, which had struggled to capture the hearts of enthusiasts. It was longer, lower, and more aerodynamic, with a distinctly modern look that appealed to a new generation of drivers. The Fox-body Mustang was a hit from the get-go, quickly gaining a loyal following. It was available in a variety of body styles including a coupe, a hatchback, and a convertible, offering something for everyone. And under the hood, there was a range of engine options, including a new 5.0-liter V8 that quickly became a fan favorite for its power and performance. The Fox-body era saw the Mustang regain its performance crown, becoming a dominant force on the streets and the drag strips. Models like the Mustang SVO, with its turbocharged four-cylinder engine, offered a unique blend of performance and efficiency, while the Mustang GT, with its powerful V8, delivered raw, unadulterated muscle. These models were formidable performers on both the street and the track, earning respect and admiration from car enthusiasts. And then there was the SVT Cobra, a high-performance variant developed by Ford's Special Vehicle Team, SVT, which pushed the boundaries of what a Mustang could be. The 1993 SVT Cobra, in particular, is a legend among Mustang fans, known for its exceptional performance and handling. Its 5.0-liter V8 engine produced 235 horsepower, making it one of the quickest and most powerful Mustangs of its time. The Fox-body Mustang wasn't just about performance, though. It was also a very versatile car, suitable for daily driving, road trips, and more. It was a car that could do it all, from racing to commuting, making it a beloved choice for a wide range of drivers. The Fox-body Mustang was a resounding success for Ford, remaining in production for an incredible 15 years, a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Section 6, into the modern-age Mustangs of the 21st century, 2005, present. As the new millennium dawned, Ford knew it was time to take the Mustang in a bold new direction. The automotive landscape was changing rapidly, and the Mustang needed to evolve to stay relevant. The fifth-generation Mustang, introduced in 2005, was a radical departure from its predecessors. It marked a significant shift in design philosophy and engineering. It was a retro-inspired design that harkened back to the classic 1960s Mustangs with its long hood, short deck, and muscular stance. This nostalgic design resonated with both old fans and new enthusiasts. But under that retro skin was a thoroughly modern car. Advanced engineering and contemporary features made it a standout in its class. The fifth-generation Mustang featured an independent rear suspension, a first for the Mustang. This was a game-changer for the car's dynamics. This significantly improved the car's handling and ride quality, making it more competitive with European sports cars. The sixth-generation Mustang, introduced in 2015, continued the evolution. It built on the success of its predecessor while pushing the envelope further. It featured even more aggressive styling, with a sharper front end and a wider stance. The design was both modern and menacing. Under the hood, there was a new turbocharged four-cylinder engine that offered impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. This engine appealed to a broader audience. And then there's the current seventh-generation Mustang, which debuted in 2023. This model represents the pinnacle of Mustang innovation. This Mustang is the most advanced yet, with a host of new technologies and features. From cutting-edge infotainment systems to advanced driver assistance features, it sets a new standard. With the discontinuation of its main rivals, the Chevrolet Camaro and Dodge Challenger, the Mustang is now the last man standing in the American muscle car segment. It carries the torch for an entire genre of automobiles. The Mustang continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and pushing the limits of performance. Its legacy is secure, and its future looks brighter than ever. Section 7. Mustang in the Fast Lane. Cultural Impact and Enduring Legacy. The Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon. It's a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and American automotive ingenuity. Since its debut in 1964, the Mustang has captured the hearts and minds of generations, appearing in countless movies, TV shows, songs, and video games. The Mustang has become synonymous with cool, and its image has been used to sell everything from jeans to cologne. It has also played a pivotal role in motorsport with countless victories in drag racing, Trans Am, and even NASCAR. Over the years, Ford has produced over 10 million Mustangs, a testament to the car's enduring appeal. As we move into an era of electric vehicles and autonomous driving, it's unclear what the future holds for the Mustang. Section 8. Conclusion: the future of a legend. The Ford Mustang's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. From its humble beginnings as a sporty coupe aimed at young drivers to its current status as a global icon, The Mustang has consistently defied expectations and pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the spirit of the Mustang will continue to thrive. Whether it's embracing new technologies like electrification and autonomous driving, or staying true to its roots as a raw and visceral performance machine, the Mustang will always represent the thrill of the open road and the pursuit of automotive excellence. So here's to the Ford Mustang, a true automotive legend. The Mustang's story is far from over. It's a story that's still being written, one exhilarating mile at a time.